Recently, I was consulting a friend of mine, who have been the CEO of again a transitioning organization. The organization have been in a legacy mode for more than a decade. And I was kind of sitting with him and understanding the pain points that he's undergoing and kind of sharing with him the thoughts what he should do and how he should take it forward. Now there are multiple times that these kind of scenarios happens, that the promoters do feel that they want to move on to become one more Infosys or one more Wipros or one more Toyotas or Mitsubishis or so on and so forth. But practically they are never serious, neither they actually want to move on. So whilst it was a trans-country organization, but he was trying to explain to me what are the fallacies that the organization have, and I was trying to explain to him that in these fallacies, if they stay, it will take 100 more years even to anticipate that they would change or they would never change. Now, this podcast primarily is to kind of give an overview that when organizations want to move to the next level, the promoters need to be committed on every single day that they would allow the transition. Now, what I find and see through multiple SMEs, multiple mid-sized organizations of the 200-300 crores is that initial days promoters feels that wow and gango, but as months and years pass by, they again start gradually creeping in and crawling in inside. Now how it starts is that the creeping and crawling at times do not start directly when the professionals are there. The creeping and crawling starts when they are not there or behind them or at the homes of them when they speak, etc., etc. These are red flags. Every single time that we spoke with great promoters who have done the transition, we have seen that they and their families have always stopped creeping and crawling methodologies, and they have never ever spoken about the professionals, what they're doing in the homes and families, because they know that if they speak in their homes and families, there will be multiple discussions that will go through, and eventually they will all lie in the same place, what they were. The difference between organizations that have changed, any organization that today a large corporation or enterprise have been a family-driven organization, definitely. The difference between organizations who have changed and organizations who have stuck to the same position is that it's the crawling and creeping mindset of promoters versus a completely detached promoter. Now, if you hire someone and you believe that you have done the right hiring, you need to know detachment. If you don't detach, then definitely your attachment will not allow the organization to grow. It's your choice as a promoter whether you want to detach or whether you want to self-attach inside the organization so that the organization never ever grows and it's always close to your heart and your claustrophobia. Thank you so much. Keep tuned to sujitpaul.com to know more about how the transition happens, how you can build large organization, how you can build value-based organization, how you can build organizations that will be the foundations and that would not be a claustrophobic, toxic environment. Thank you so much.